Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. M. Ghosh. I am a numerology, astrology, and Vastu expert. And I brought for you today another very informational video about 12 simple tips of items you can keep in your residence that will enhance your prosperity. You need not do anything more. You just need to keep these items at your residence. 12 items, easily available, not difficult to procure, which simply by the act of keeping them at your residence, you enhance your prosperity. It also has some additional benefits such as positivity, good health, career growth, peace of mind. All of these are additional benefits. But the main thing which is achieved by keeping these 12 items at your residence is enhanced prosperity. Money is required by all of us to fulfill our needs. And today we are dealing with this critical topic. But before we go on to this video, my friends, let me share with you a brief about your channel, The Ancients. I started this channel, The Ancients, in February 2021. And on this short span of almost 3 months, we've already garnered about 190 subscribers. The reason for this amazing growth is I share with you in English. I think one of the few astrology, numerology, and Vastu channels in English is your very own channel, The Ancients. Rest are in Hindi and regional languages, but this is in plain, simple English, which is an added benefit for a lot of people. I share with you here the essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu to ensure that you welcome into your homes good fortune, good health, prosperity, peace of mind, career growth, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones. I request all of you to kindly subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so that you receive an update on every new video which I brought for you. And also like the videos so that we are motivated to bring out more such videos for you. Today, we are releasing the 50th video on our channel. This happens to be our 50th video. Could I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel once again to subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends, family, and near and dear ones. Also encourage them to subscribe so that they too are benefited by the essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu which I bring for you. Coming back to our inspirational and informative video, let's start with the 12 things which enhance your prosperity at home. First, fit curry, easily available in any puja shop. Make it into a powdery substance and put it in a small cloth bag and keep it under your welcome mat in your main door, in front of your main door. This will welcome multiple sources of income and enhance your prosperity. I repeat again, make powder out of fit curry, put it in a small cloth bag and keep it under the welcome mat of your main entrance. But I have a recommendation for you here. Ensure that you don't keep it under a black mat, my friends. A cloth mat or a fiber mat, wonderful, but not black ones. If you can get red, yellow, green, orange, brown, chocolate color mats, wonderful, but don't use a black mat. That will not give you good results. So please, any color mat, keep powder fit curry under it. Second, camphor. Camphor is also a very powerful substance. And if you want to enhance your prosperity, Simply take two camphor balls and keep a single lavanga between it and burn the camphor. The lavang also gets burned. This substantially increases the positive vibes at your home, enhances your prosperity, reduces negativity, and also helps in ensuring that your money which you have earned stays at your home. Third, Dakshinamurti Shank or conch shell. Again, easily available at puja stores. Keep it at your home, but you need to keep it in the proper way. What is the proper way of keeping a Dakshinamurti Shank? On your puja table, keep a red cloth. On top of that, put this Dakshinamurti Shank. Fill the Dakshinamurti Shank with rice and put haldi on top of the rice. If you want, you can put a little sindoor also. And pray to it daily when you are doing your daily prayers. Light camphor, diya in front of it daily, just like when you do your puja. It has wonderful effects. Also, if you do not get the Dakshinamurti Shank, normal blowing conch itself, which is available in the market, if you keep that also will substantially enhance your prosperity. But best is Dakshinamurti Shank. The fourth item which I want to speak to you about is sandalwood piece. A piece of sandalwood wood, maybe 3 inches, 4 inches long, red sandalwood or normal sandalwood. Just keep it at your puja house or in the northern direction of your home. This also enhances your prosperity substantially. Simple thing to procure, a sandalwood piece 3 or 4 inches long. Just keep that wood piece at your home. It will enhance your prosperity. Photo of Lakshmi Kuber. On the northern wall of your house. Just keep it there, hang it there. Lakshmi Kuber together on the northern wall. Pray to it on a daily basis. See the enhancements you get in your prosperity. Another idol which is very, very relevant for your house prosperity is a Panchmukhi Hanuman. Keep it on your southwest wall. Mostly we say all idols need to be kept in the northern side or northeast side or eastern side for praying. But only Panchmukhi Hanuman, you need to keep it in your southwest corner of your puja room. Pray to it daily. All your financial obstacles will go for a toss. Your sources of income will increase. Lot of health benefits will also come in. Try it. Small Panchmukhi Hanuman idol on the southwest corner of your home. I repeat again, southwest corner of your home. Don't keep it anywhere else. The Panchmukhi Hanuman will remove all your financial obstacles. On the main entrance of your door, draw a swastik with ghee and sindoor. I repeat again, draw a swastik with ghee sindoor. You can also add sindoor to it, haldi to it. You can keep some rice flour to it. You can add some camphor to it. But at the minimum, ghee and sindoor together, draw a swastik on your main door. See your prosperity. If you don't know how to draw a swastik, procure a swastik from a puja shop and on top of it, color it with ghee, sindoor, haldi. Amazing results in 45 days. Lakshmi Yantra or Shri Yantra in your puja room. Just procuring it on a good day, especially Fridays and Thursdays. Keeping it in your puja room, praying to it on a regular basis. Huge improvements in your prosperity and cash flows. metal fish kept in the north or northeast or east of your home in a water bowl. Fantastic results of prosperity. Also ensures that you see enhancements in your good luck, obstacles are removed, and your health also improves. If you don't get a metal fish, get a metal turtle. Again, keep it in a bowl of water on your north, northeast, or east. Same effects, enhancements of prosperity, reduction in obstacles, and huge improvements in your health also. Be careful that whenever you keep the metal fish or turtle, the bowl which you keep it in always has some water in it filled. Then the next item is the silver, brass, copper pyramids. The copper pyramid, brass pyramid, or silver pyramid. Use only these three metal pyramids. Keep it on the north, northeast, or east side of the room where your family spends the maximum time. If you keep it in your drawing room, awesome. You will see that it will reflect huge improvements in your family. All your family members who are earning, doing business or job will see huge improvements in their earnings. Last but not the least, the 12th item which I want to share with you is a surahi, mud surahi, mud pot, made out of mud only. You will get it in any pottery shop or people who are selling pottery items on the road. They will easily give you this item. Keep it on the northern side of your home, on a window or anywhere on a table. Ensure that you replace the water in it daily basis with clean water. Never allow it to finish. Always have it filled to the brim. And gradually you will notice as you keep filling it water daily, the mud surahi will start developing a greenish tinge because water is always there. It's like the green moss will come on the mud surahi. This is an indication that the effects are started happening and there's going to be substantial improvements in your prosperity. Always keep it filled with water, change it daily if required. Friends, today I have shared with you 12 items which enhance your prosperity. These are simple items to procure. Just by bringing them into your home, you are enhancing your prosperity. You don't need to do any other action. Just keeping them at your home, you are enhancing your prosperity substantially. Once again, I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel, the ancients, to kindly subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends, family, near and dear ones, and encourage them to also subscribe and press the bell icon so that they too can benefit with the essence of astrology, numerology and Vastu, which I am sharing with you on your very own channel, The Ancients. Keep watching, keep sharing. Till we meet again, good luck, all the best.